What's going on, Brooklyn and beyond? Brooklyn Jimmy, brooklynjimmy.com. And I'm on got my bike fixed. So now, back on my ride to the train station. And I want to take this opportunity to test out the Gopro wireless mic with the Bluetooth connection. I did another video, I didn't release it yet. You might have seen it by now, by the time I post this one. I know to me it seems like it's kind of low, but I have the gain set to 12 on the GoPro itself. Right now I have the wind muff on, noise reduction is off, so you probably hear the noise from my bike. But how much do you hear the wind? The wind might sound a little louder to me because I got my Bluetooth in my ear, listening to the music. I think makes the wind, while it's in my ear, always makes the wind sound a little bit louder. Probably hear a good amount of the environment too. Coming up on the busy street now. It's been like a few weeks since I rode my bike. Winded by the time I get to the train station. Hopefully I'm still in shape. 2 weeks can make a difference, especially when you didn't do it too much longer before. It kind of looks like the microphone is peaking when cars pass by, but I don't know. When I'm talking, it don't look like it's okay. It doesn't look like the meter's moving much. Alright, gotta bend this corner. And get to go up the highest hill or incline that I have to go during this ride. On this part right here. So hear how I sound when I suck wind, if it's picking it up. And hopefully this tire holds up. When I was changing the inner tube, because I couldn't find patches, I noticed that the actual tire dry rotted where there's actually cracks in it. That could have contributed to the flat, even though there was a hole in the inner tube, but it was on the side of the facing the rim, which I found weird. I can't blame it on the people at the train station because I rode home fine the last day I rode it, and then after a long weekend got back to the bike in the garage and the tire was so flat and it wouldn't fill up no matter what I did. So far 4 minutes in, so good. Oh no, there goes my train. It's early. Last time they did that, came early, left early. I hope they stay, because I still got like a mile to go. If not, it's 1 to 15 minutes after. So, should be alright. Just got transfer more. and earlier. And go more local. But I'm pedaling faster. And faster. And faster. I just ran over a stick. No more flats, no more flats. I didn't bring it up as YouTube with me. Yeah, that train is really, really early. Got like another 5 minutes. Hope you don't leave early. Whew. But yeah, that's all for now. I hope the sound comes out good. I'll hear it once I get on the train. And then maybe I'll edit the first one. Oh, I won't really edit it. I'll keep it as is with me walking through Grand Central and stuff. And then I'll just post this one up. No edits also, just pure the way it comes out. That's it. Alright, Brooklyn salute. I'm out.